Oh no.
Have you not turned the sound on?
So what you've got to do is you've got to unmute your mic. So afternoon, everybody. Who knew? Thanks for that, because I would have done the whole stream with it off. My bad,
Amazing.
guys. So anyway, what we're just saying is, if you would,
That was gold dust.
yeah, you've just literally missed. We've just took a really nice
Just
trade.
gold dust.
Just
Can you hear us now?
um. So let's just have a look at these little things.
Thank you, Paolo. Thank you. Just as I'll do a brief recap of the gold dust that was
I can't believe.
we were just talking about. Talking about a trade, a crown jewel setup this morning, which Sarah had also put in the members trade ideas group, and if I'd have stayed in the trade, I probably could have got 3K out of it. But actually, I only took a K out of it. But rather than being gutted that I didn't stay in it, I'm just super chuffed that Crown Jewels is working really well. Holy Grail is working really well. The Dean is working really well. The strategies and the indicators are absolutely smashing it. So don't be sad that your trade is over. Be happy that it happened, is what I was saying. But Vicky was also saying that it was something that they were looking at various setups on the Sunday. And a lot of them have played out, but also because of what happened with President Macron, the euro pairs appear to be breaking down a little. Anything I missed out on the recap there, Vic?
No, I don't think so. Sorry, I'm just trying to see if we've got anything setting up.
No, man, it's cool. It's cool.
30.
We'll know for next time to turn the mic on.
Oh no, I even said to myself, make sure you do that. And I forgot all about it, so sorry. Thanks to those that pointed it out.
Yeah.
That could have been really awkward. Yeah, interesting one here on NZD CAD actually.
Oh,
Sorry,
yeah.
AUD CAD looks nice. I'm just gonna. What have I done with my phone? I'm just gonna grab my phone. 2 seconds.
Okay, no worries. No worries.
I was just gonna see if we had any other things. Right, I'm just gonna check the alerts as well, just to make sure I'm not missing anything.
Cool. Good afternoon, Nate. Hopefully you've got a bit of sunshine where you are
Hey,
today.
Nate.
It's sunny in Manchester. The washing is on the line.
Yeah, I was saying that literally I've not had a chance to look at all yet, so
Can do it
I am
live.
just catching up, which is why I'm using the alerts through Discord, because it's quicker than me scanning all the stuff and missing it all. So, what date is it? 11th.
11th of June. Oh, it's raining again in
Let's
nuts.
check
Who
this.
knew?
4 hours. Oh, that's messy, isn't it? I I like AUD CAD, to be honest, for buys, and that's come up on the list as well. So we got,
As an alert.
yeah,
Yeah.
we got possibly AU and NU as well,
So a nice little pullback at the moment, AUD CAD as well.
and
Could be a good entry.
yeah, that's what I want. So I do want to see pullback first. AU. So just check. I think I prefer AUD CAD. And whatever happens, I will pick the slowest one. So
Yeah, of course. Standard.
so it's a nice pullback. Let's see what this looks like on the two. So the two closed above and the one closed above as well. So yeah, let's see if we can get a nice pullback on this. And I'm just gonna look. What's this pulling out? 30. don't know whether we're right on.
Simon Gears also thought that I didn't have a top on for a minute, but it is.
So I was on mute then when I was saying that.
Same thing.
I was on mute before.
Tis a t-shirt.
Yeah, I was saying I just caught it out of the corner of my eye and you totally look naked.
I'll turn this down. You can see that. Sit up straight.
No.
Straight.
This is the only thing putting me off. The buys on this makes me a little bit nervous just because of the weekly. But if we get enough of a pullback, it could be nice. You just closing right on there, that's all. Did close above. It's only like 4 pips in it, isn't it? That's
4 pips.
We have closed above this.
Look at that candle. That was news, wasn't
it? Yeah.
News in the night.
So we were sort of saying this like on Sunday as well, that all the pairs that did this move on Friday were probably going to do exactly what they've just done. So they're just trickling back up, filling the gap.
Yeah.
So AUD CAD looks the nicest, but I do want to see what is retesting that. Let me check. What's gold doing today? I'm like I said,
you know what? I've not looked at gold at all today.
I've not.
Oh, there's someone at my door.
How rude.
It's rude. Look at this for live TV. One tick.
What's this 4 hour? Let's make this bigger. Check the data on this. Sorry guys, we're just having a catch up, see where we're at. Nervous of this on the weeklies.
Back.
Guess who's back?
It's a political party I've never heard of. Ever. Who are they? The Social Democratic Party. Never heard of them.
Dailies.
Not a clue.
This looks nice as well.
Oh, you're like a kid in a sweet shop.
I know. There's a couple of them. It's picking the right one, and it's flipping that. I do like this. Is it 4 hours? I think we have to take AUD CAD, but being very one-sided, trickles.
Nice.
Yeah. Here she goes. I'm going to take this one, I think. So we've had a pullback. Market execute. We will do one. Bye.
Look at that. Do you want me to stick it in the group?
Yeah, you can do it.
Too quick.
To be honest, like, it's not the best risk to reward that because it's already started to move and the spread as well.
0.4. I think we might leave that one. It might have already gone. Now you've entered because I think you've moved the market.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. It's a good for market execute now, but I wouldn't send it as a signal yet.
Yeah.
Let's see if we get this. I'm just nervous of, was it the No, it was a weekly. It was AU actually. Sorry. Let's see. 4 hour. What was the other one Sarah was talking about? Euro CHF, wasn't it? That's given a nice entry as well, but I think it's done what it's going to do today. I've got a lot of lines on this. I'll clean that up.
Clean up your chart, madam.
Let me just, sorry for anybody watching on this one. So AUD CAD was the trade going into, what was the 91.02 for target. And we should see these push through where we are, where I'm targeting, to be honest. But we'll see. I think spread. To be honest, it's not many pips in it, so it's only like 5 pips, which is what's through.
What's the spread, about 1.5?
Yeah, it's thrown me off a little bit. Sorry. So when I entered, I was like, should get more out of this than that, really. But the spread's like 1.7, and it's only 5 pip TP. But I think, and I think sometimes people see our TPs and think, oh god, they're only taking 3, 4, 5 pips or whatever. But it just depends on the pair. Like that's 18 pips to the low. So yeah. We'll see. Sorry, it was too late to send it as a signal, that one.
No, sometimes it happens, doesn't it?
Yeah, and it's literally, I can't actually believe it's only 5 pips. Sorry about that. But yeah, it looked ready. Should have caught it on the flip. I was being extra cautious, as everybody knows. To be honest, I think I might just keep an eye on this on the 15. Let me just make this bigger. Where are we at? I'm on the 5, sorry. We're here. Yeah. Well, that was almost too quick. I don't like it when the trade sets up pretty much straight away because I need time to process everything. So sorry, I've been pretty quiet on
Caught us all by surprise.
And yeah, just a bit gutting that it's only 5 pips, but I would be nervous to hold it a bit further, to be honest, because of the daily and the weekly. And I would even say if you're happy with profits where you are, take them.
So happy you know it, clap your hands.
Yeah, I had a big push there. What time is it? 2:10.
2:10.
There's actually one here, so yeah, it should be okay. Let's check AU. AU. Yeah, I thought AU was going to push through as well, so it kind of makes sense that it was going to come to the top. And you. Be kind to us, come on. Because it wasn't kind the other day. We entered really late on CAD J, I think, the other day, wasn't it?
Afternoon, burners.
What was CAD J?
Sarah's asking about silver. We're talking Euro CHF as well.
This came back to entry from the other day. I haven't looked at any of these, but I would imagine they should all do the same thing. So let's have a look at silver.
Silver.
Oh, nice. Let's check the dailies on this. Yeah, silver looks nice as well. 2 hours. I'll hit this. Let's have a gander. Feels really quiet today. Pete always has music on, doesn't he? But then I always get the email saying copyright infringement.
This is it.
So if anybody knows of any music that we can play without being told off, let us know.
You can get that royalty-free stuff, but it's awful, which is why it's royalty-free. We could play a party of political broadcast if you want, but it does appear just to be lots of lies.
Let's see what happens on this 15 on silver. How's this one going? I don't even know what our target is on this. Oh, two.
Oscar has his chemistry exam today, chemistry GCSE.
Nice.
Of course, the two-letter symbol for silver is...
Are you asking me or are you asking the chat?
I'm asking you.
Oh, AG.
Oh, well done. 1 point to you.
What does the X stand for on trading? I think you've told me this before.
Oh, if I have, I've forgotten.
Come on, get up there.
What's platinum? What's the 2-letter for platinum? You can't. There are some people who trade platinum.
Platinum. It's a good question. Is it? I want to say like PL, but I could be totally wrong.
Say what you see. Is it PL?
Platinum. Wait, I can't spell it. PL.
Is it PL?
Yeah.
Is it XPL?
I don't know. Don't trade it. Come on, get up there, lads. Well, we've got eyes on silver. We've got... That's nice. What time is it? 2:15, I think.
We've not even looked at indices yet. It's all very exciting. PT. Benners is right, PT.
What for?
Platinum.
What was PL?
Oh, it was... Palladium, maybe?
Maybe.
Google it. PL.
Right, I'm actually gonna close a AUD card. So, if anybody's wanting to, the only reason I'm closing it is it's rejecting from here, and I am a bit nervous of the daily, and the week and the weekly.
Hey, profit's
so
profit.
We will just look. I'm just a teeny tiny bit. I think it'll go through, but I didn't take into account the spread and the number of pips, so that threw me off. I don't really like risking $1,000 to make like 270.
Yeah,
so,
exactly.
So sorry about that, guys, but I am just gonna close that one out.
Don't apologise for profit. It's like those people when like a team's 3-0 up with 5 minutes to go in a football match, and they stick on $1,000 to make £1.10. Like,
yeah, it's
not sure you need that.
the only reason is I didn't like when I put it on. I thought, oh no, if I'd have took it on the flip, it would have been more like 350, 370. Then that's a little bit more worth holding, I think.
It's a big spread as well, to be fair.
Yeah, not for 5 pips. I didn't realise.
Yeah, if half of that is your spread, then it's a bit.
Which is it's mad on really off a 4 hour. I mean, it should really come fill all this stuff up here. But there's a lot of stuff in the way. And the daily is a little bit just putting me off here.
Hey, here's a social commentary. So lots of kids at the moment are stressed because of their exams, mine included. And today's the first time Ben's used his A-level chemistry because he knew that platinum was PT.
So Sarah's just talking about, let's check, gold and silver. So for anybody who's just joining, get out of AUD CAD for now, and we'll review it. This is the weekly on, so we are expecting sells on these this week, but we did say on Sunday, we said this should recover first. It's really similar to what happened on the others, what we were just talking about.
Yeah.
So wait, let me check the daily on here. So you've got room on the dailies. Yeah, that puts it about there. Let's check the 4 hours. Did we get a nice 15 close on this? No, we've not had I think once we get a nice bullish 15-minute close on silver, we could have a trade, you know. So I'm gonna keep an eye on silver, and that'll be probably the only other one that's nicely setting up, apart from all the NZDs, USDs, whatever we were looking at. Gold is going, so we'll be.
Let me get ready with a potential trade setup for people in the Trade Ideas group.
Yeah. So this is a 4 hour. I expect it to come fill here. I do expect it to come all the way up. So we'll just see what we get on these 15s. Have we got a couple of targets? It's a nice waiting game, isn't it? We'll have to.
Yeah, it is.
Think of something else.
It was all a bit hectic then for a minute, wasn't it?
Yeah, you'll see. I'm very uncomfortable when I have to make a
I
decision
know.
quickly.
They're like the.
I was just feeling like really rushed. I'm not eating yet. I'm starving. What else was I going to say?
I don't know. Praise for me?
Yeah, you did good. Look at that exit though. That's nice so far. I think you might get a retest and then go on this as well. So I will keep an eye on this to see if there's a second entry available. So that's what I was nervous of for the short term on that. So I'm glad we didn't send it as a trade idea as well, because sometimes you can send them and you need people to be watching so they know when to get out.
Yeah.
Whereas if you send a trade idea and then you change it, it can be tricky. Silver 4 buys. Interesting.
Interesting.
This is why you wait. So you don't have to go through the torment.
You know it.
Let's see. 8 minutes left of that.
Nice. Tell you, it was stressful. I started watching that Responder series on BBC.
I
watched the first series with Martin Freeman.
Yeah.
Just very tense. Just horrible. Just not a comfortable bit of TV.
I think my mum's told me about that one.
I watched 2 episodes last night, and I spent 4 years in Liverpool, and I do love the city. It is a very, very good city and a great night out. And on the whole, everyone's lovely.
Yeah.
But there is that 1% of hard drug dealing criminals, which is what a lot of this is focused on. Yeah. Not for me. But it's very good acting. Very good acting. If you want a stressful hour each evening, watch that. Of course, we've got the Euros soon, then the Olympics.
I know.
It's all go.
And all the France stuff.
France stuff.
Yeah, it's the Olympics are in France, aren't they?
Oh, sorry. Yes, they are. They're in Paris. You're
Yeah.
right.
And because they were saying, oh, it's a bit crazy to call an election.
Oh,
now.
called election. Oh, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Maybe he just wants to go to the Olympics. Knows he's going to lose. Thinks he can get out now.
Maybe. Maybe.
That's what Rishi Sunak's doing. Knows he's not going to win. He's got a job lined up in California for September. Get it all done by then. You like the Olympics?
Yes. Very much.
I think I may have missed my opportunity.
Mm.
Yeah, probably.
There's always time. Always.
You never know.
USD. This could be nice. This if we hold.
Hold. Is that Braveheart? I think it was. Hold.
I feel like Braveheart today. My hair's all over. I'm not even sure. I'm not even sure if I've brushed my hair. So this is the kind of people you're watching.
Nice. You cleaned your teeth?
Yes, done that. Yeah.
Woohoo!
Whoop. Tick.
We got a winner.
Some special occasions.
You know it.
What was the other ones that came out? So CAD CHF.
Euro CHF we're looking at?
Yeah, CAD CHF came out as a buy at 2:00 on the alerts.
Yeah.
It was just a little bit messy. It looked, I think it again, there's just not many pips in it. So like from here to like here, it's only 4 pips. So by the time you've added in your spread, as we've just seen, can be a little tricky. EU. Oh, my dog's snoring now as well. That was nice.
Oh, Bailey. We'll be dreaming of Butcher's Choice or Pedigree Chum. You don't really see Pedigree Chum advertised anymore.
Can you hear him?
No.
Stopped. Right, let's see. Because we've got indices open as well coming up.
Oh,
so,
2:30.
Let's have a look what they're all doing today.
Yeah, we will.
Let's save this. In fact, I'm going to go to NASA, as Nella calls it.
Yay. Love it.
It's just easier to see them all. So, are we on the 1 hour?
I have that set up as well. Generally, if people who come round who don't know anything about trading, I like to put that up on the screen just to look cool.
Amazing.
Which, as we know, is what trading's all about.
I mean, these are all at all-time highs, aren't they? This is the dailies.
I mean, let's face it, if you went long on the S&P 500 over the past 2 years as a trade, you'll be in profit.
You would have done okay. This is where these were like flagging for sells.
Remember last week, the US30, when it flew?
Yeah. I'm gutted I missed the 15 on it because we probably could have got in. I wasn't watching it.
Live and learn.
Right, we've got... Where are we at? I don't want NAS here, do I? I want UK 100. Does it say That's what I want. I had NAS on twice. Let's get the weeklies first.
Knackered.
So you can just tell everyone on YouTube.
We just told everyone on YouTube now. I was muted. I'm not muted now. Everyone, the wife is back from out for lunch and she's knackered.
I've walked 10k.
Yeah, have you?
Sorry.
Did you have a nice lunch? What did you have? Yeah. You're not telling me.
Are you muted now?
I'm not muted now.
Tell me later.
Tell me later. People might want to know.
I'm sure they're not that interested.
Paul says hi.
Hi.
There was the trade on the FTSE this morning.
Oh, 4 hour, nice.
Yeah. I think you would have had.
That's probably just before Rishi announced his manifesto, and then the stock market crashed.
Has he done that? I've not.
He did it about 11ish, I think.
Was it? Oh, that was 10. That one.
And then there was for those of you who follow the Relentless blog on our website, I wrote an article this morning about another IPO on the stock market called Raspberry Pi, which is a tech company which had its IPO this morning.
How did it go?
Very well, flew.
On the FTSE or?
No.
I was going to say.
Sorry, no, not on the FTSE.
Interesting. Shein will be an interesting one.
Yeah, 50 billion.
Yeah.
Straight in at number 12 or 13, I think it was.
Nice. Yeah, they all went at 10. Every single one of them at 10 o'clock. All gave the Holy Grails and have hit the Holy Grail targets.
There you go.
Nice, that. Lovely stuff. Let's see what happens, because he got the NYSE open in 1 minute.
1 minute.
And that's when they can send.
Go on, drop it down to a 5. Let's have a look.
I can do a 1 minute if you want.
How do you do that so you don't have to change each one individually? It's been doing my head in.
What the?
You only change the time frame and it changes all 6 of yours.
Yeah. Oh, the time frame. So up here where you've got your 6 grid layout.
Yeah.
Down the bottom, you can either do it so it changes symbol, which you don't want because I want different symbols. Interval. That's the one you want, and then whenever you change, it'll change.
It'll change on all of them. Nice.
There's another one as well. No, it's not on there. I can't remember where it is, but you know, like where if you draw something on one of the. So say you are using US 30 and you've got like a 1 minute, a 5 minute, and a 15, and you want the box to show. If you draw it on one chart, it'll show on the other two. You can do that somewhere as well, but I'm very annoyingly can't remember where that is. I thought that was up there. But it's in some sort of setting. Wow.
But that for manipulation.
You got a nice little open here.
US 30's dived down and NAS 100's shot up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, what's the real direction that they want to go? I think down today, but I could be wrong.
S&P's down, NAS is up, US 30's down. I think US 30...
I mean, this is a 1 minute chart. It's had a massive fall this morning, hasn't it? That was the FTSE 1 minute this morning.
Wowzers.
It's above the high.
There's a nice little indication there, isn't there?
Yeah, and you
on a blue cell.
You'll get the red. Yeah, sorry, the red greens. I nearly just said the green. You don't want to take them when it's absolutely tanking on the higher time frames.
No.
Interessante. That's
it's system.
As far as my, I think, Spanish goes.
It's all you know, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much. My Spanish is not good. Never did it really. So.
Oh, you don't know how happy I am now that I can change. Every day's a school day. I can just change the time frame once and it changes it across all the pairs.
It does help. Let's go back.
TradingView's massively underutilized by a lot of people, me included.
Yeah.
But just being able to save you know when you have different settings on the Dean or different settings on the Holy Grail, depending on what you're looking for?
Yeah.
And then you can save the settings on the indicator.
Yeah.
For that, so if you wanted a scalping strategy or a swing strategy,
Yeah.
just using those 4 boxes next to indicators, if people don't know, if you click on that, you can change and then save your settings to save you doing it every time.
Yeah. It is good. Let's see. This has just fallen. Oh, yeah.
I know a lot of people are reluctant sometimes to pay for the paid version of TradingView, but to be able to have more than a couple of...
Yeah.
They've dropped it down to 2 now. It used to be 3. They've dropped it down to 2 indicators.
Oh, have they?
Yeah. I had a member round yesterday for a one-to-one, and we were going through stuff, and I was saying, you can definitely get 3 indicators on it.
You can.
And then we had a look, and I was like, oh no, they've changed it. You can only get 2.
What's the next one up then? What's pricing and stuff? I've no idea.
Less than what we pay.
Yeah.
Let me have a quick look.
It's interesting that. We're looking at this. Oh God, what else came out? Oil came out, I think, at 2 as well. 80 CAD. 80 USD.
Do you know what? It's really annoying. It won't tell me because I've already got an account.
Yeah, that's what I know.
I hate it.
I just end up giving up.
Just give me the price list.
Fine, keep it. We could be seeing the sells begin to play out on these, you know. So on, is it gold and silver? So we're initially going to look for buys up if we got the reaction on silver. We haven't had it yet.
Mm-hmm.
But I know it's a long time away, but if you're... It's worth checking these at 6, like when the 4-hour next closes. See if you get a close below this stuff. Because it should be coming down then to fill. I think it's on the daily. Yeah, we've got daily targets down here.
Here you go, TradingView, $12.95. This is GBP a month.
Okay.
It gives you 5 indicators. You have $24.95, which gives you 10 indicators. And there's other bits and bats along with it as well, in terms of price alerts and technical alerts. And it's just no adverts, which is the biggest bonus for me.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. You can only have 2 charts per tab on the essential and 4 charts per tab on the plus.
Okay.
You can have 8. You're daft like us.
Yeah. I put something
on the premium.
I put something in the public chat the other day.
About Awanda.
Yeah, so it's the essential plan. So how much is it annually?
So annually, the essentials is £155 a year for the essential plan.
Okay, so yeah, what Awanda we're basically saying is if you create an Awanda demo account and you've paid for the annual TradingView for essential plan, then Awanda will reimburse you that money, but it goes into your trading account with Awanda, basically.
Okay.
So it's not a direct refund, so it's just something to bear in mind. But I thought if people are going to chuck 150 quid in a broker account potentially anyway, it might be a way of doing it where you get the paid TradingView and the credit from Awanda. But the details are in our public chat from the 6th of June, if anybody wants to have a look at that.
And I think, although, yes, things are tight for lots of people at the moment, to be able to have your fixed costs, even if your fixed cost is just TradingView membership at £155 a year, okay, you might have, if you want to join Relentless, there's a fee there for that. If you've got any other indicators, there's a fee there for that, but it's a one-off.
Yeah.
But that's it, isn't it? You're not paying business rates. You're not paying all the stuff that comes with the bricks and mortar business.
Yeah.
and all that jazz. You're not commuting unless you want to do an Alan, who seems quite active at the moment on social media, living at large in Bali. Is he in Bali?
Yeah, I think he's in the Philippines.
You're on a flight over there, but your fixed costs as a business, as a trader, are, I think, quite attractive.
They are. I agree. We are waiting on to basically just to see what gold and silver is going to do, because that's going to drive a lot of the others as well. So AUD CAD, AUD USD, I assume they're all coming down as well. Yeah, which is, so I saw these starting to turn, which is why I decided to close out the AUD CAD one. AUD CAD, so it's pulled back. It's come back well below where we were entering, so it was a good exit right at the...
It was, wasn't it?
Yeah, and see how it literally came like 1 pip off the target, but like I said, I didn't realise it was only 4 or 5 pips or whatever it was, so it'd be...
Every day's a school day.
More on for sells that. Oops, I've gone on the wrong chart. Interesting.
I had carbonara for tea last night, and there was enough left over to have it for lunch today.
Oh, nice.
It was sensational.
Nice. Very jealous.
Love carbonara. Garlic bread as well. Oof.
Nice. Again, this is really similar to silver. So I would keep an eye on these for the 6 p.m. closes.
Mm-hmm.
See if you can get closes below these, because it might change the whole narrative of what's just happened. And I think we would prefer sells on these as well this week. Yeah, we had it on marked for sells this week. So do keep an eye on that, because I will not be still on stream at 6 p.m. But when the next 4 hour closes, pay attention to these ones. See what they do, where they close. If you're in the Dean group and you know like the Holy Grail setups and stuff, then you'll know where you should be targeting and what to look for on the lower time frames. But we'll be looking for something like that on AD CAD. Let me take off the indicator. Depending on where this closes, if this all closes below this stuff, then obviously we'll be looking at targets down into these levels and whatever lower time frame obstacles are in our way. If you get a close below here, then that's it, straight into there.
There's a bit of chat in the group about different pricings on Trading View, and I think they probably refer to it as dynamic pricing, but they do change the pricing constantly depending on how long you've been with them and what subscription you've got.
Yeah.
So I think we all had, like, I think to have, what are we, premium?
Yeah.
It's like 720 quid a year.
Yeah.
But they did us an offer if you paid for a year in advance or something, and it was a Black Friday offer.
Yeah.
So I think now if I look at downgrading my plan from the allegedly 720 quid a year one to the lower ones, it might be giving me a cheaper price than what it might be offering you, Simon. Or unless you've got it down as monthly rather than yearly or something. But normally, I don't know when yours is, or if you've got one at the moment, but they every year, they always do one on Black Friday, and it lasts for about 3 weeks. So as and when it's out, we'll post it in the group.
Yep.
But it's an investment. It is an investment.
I'll see if sometimes we get emails with promos as well.
Yeah, their pricing is a mess, Gizzy. It is. I agree.
Yeah. It's like if you're in Sky, though, isn't it? Your neighbour will be paying like £20 a month.
And I was chatting to someone the other day, and they went, "Oh, if you cancel Audible, they'll."
Oh yeah.
They'll give you. So I went to cancel it. It just didn't. It sort of went, "Okay, bye." After that. Oh, okay.
They must have heard your conversation.
Oh shit.
I didn't realise though. So I was paying for Audible and Spotify Premium.
I do as well. You're going to tell me something now that I can get them both for the same.
So all the audiobooks tend to be on Spotify included anyway.
Do they?
Yeah. Oh,
Check that.
What's
Check
just
that.
happened here? Oh, has it come? Lady Card. I've just got an alert going off on this one. That's why it's just coming back up. And
Audiobooks. Look at that.
yeah, I had no idea, and I've used Spotify for years.
Let me see if the audiobook I just read is on.
So.
Oh no, it's not.
Most of them that I've looked for are, so it's worth having a look.
It is. My last one was Bending Reality.
How was that?
It was brilliant. It was very good. I mean, Audible's what? Is it $6.99, $7.99 a month?
I don't even know. I think I was.
Arc at you and your Lamborghini.
Do you know what? I think Audible is the one that they emailed me about the other day, and they've actually automatically cancelled it because I wasn't using it. Which I
really?
Thought, yeah, I'm sure it was Audible.
No, not sure we'll start doing that.
I'm sure it was Audible. It's just like them little small amounts that just go out. Nobody has any idea what's going out, do they?
You know what? I was very middle-aged the other day, and we went down and went through all of them. And then, I think I told you this, cancelled BAA, cancelled travel insurance, and cancelled mobile phone insurance.
Alcoholics Anonymous?
And then, no, kept that one.
The
AA? Automobile Association.
Oh, okay.
And then got them all through Nationwide for £13 a month.
Nice, yeah, you did tell
For
me.
their paid account.
This is when we realise how old we are. But yeah, mine was, it was Audible. Oh, Kindle, sorry, my bad, it was Kindle. Due to membership inactivity, we paused it. I thought that was quite good of them.
That is good of them.
Nearly £10 a month that I had no idea was going out.
You like the people on those Netflix documentaries, and suddenly I checked my account and I hadn't noticed that I was losing $7,000, $8,000, $9,000 a month and I was being scammed. Oh right, you just didn't notice that coming out your account? No. Yeah.
All the other ones where they're like, yeah, I've been scammed for like all my life savings by their lover from another country.
You know it.
And you're like, you didn't gradually notice that they were taking 100 grand from you. I do feel sorry for them because they do get properly sucked in, don't they?
That's like with some of them, but not others. So you get the people who pretend to be footballers, and then people go, "Oh, I fell in love with him." What? Until you found out he wasn't a footballer, and then you didn't decide that you love him. I believe Love Island has started again. Jessica's into it.
Nice.
Luckily, I can honestly say I've never watched it.
I've watched it a while back, but...
Oh, really? Actually, I think I watched a celebrity one a long time back.
You are missing out.
Not on
Lou likes it. Lou likes it. Which had Dennis Rodman in it.
She does not love it.
You don't love it?
Taking the neck.
Right, okay. Nate pays £28.74 a month for TradingView Plus.
Oh, and what did you say it was?
I can't remember now. So if I go to...
Probably just going to watch this sell all the way down.
So I got a 70% discount on mine November the 20th last year. Products pricing. So pricing I've got, plus $24.95 a month. Essentials $12.95 a month.
Yeah.
Premium $49.95 a month. And then you can have Expert at $199 a month, Elite at $349 a month, and Ultimate at $499 a month. You could have 16 charts per tab.
I want that. I don't think you couldn't see them.
You can have 40,000. I mean, my screen's massive, and 8's quite busy on mine.
Yeah.
You can have 40,000 historical bars.
Wow. Wow.
Chemistry went really well.
Good.
Nice.
But even if you were then on the top package, just put this into perspective, that's $6,000 a year. That could be a very minimal outgoing.
Yeah.
Okay. It's only $24.95 if you pay it annually. They break it down.
I am watching silver for coming back up.
Come back.
And I'm just going to look at NAS. You know what? Leave that one as it is so we can come back and check this. And we will go.
Still dropping indices, aren't they?
Yeah, I'm just going to check in on them now. Let's have a little. Oh no.
Oh no. That truck moved by the NAS.
Yeah. It was interesting, wasn't it?
Yeah.
All went different ways. So we got a 1 hour close coming up at 3. What you got to just be careful of.
No news today, is there? Nothing major. There was unemployment this morning for UK, which I believe there's more unemployed people than they thought there was going to be.
Yeah. Sorry, just looking.
No worries.
Can't fit it all on my chart. I was just literally talking about this.
Oh, I know. I thought you have 16 charts per tab. Unless you must have like 4 screens the size of my screen up on like a massive bank.
Yeah.
That's what you do. When you watch things like Margin Call and Wolf of Wall Street, that's what they have. They're on the full trading view.
I know. I really miss mine because I have the big screen at home, and then when I come here, I'm like, oh, I miss it.
Oh no.
I miss it. I don't even know what the spread is on this. No idea. 60.
You see all the alerts that you members can get in the Discord. They're all linked to our trading views. So we pay for the trading view subscription, and then the alerts come off them. and then go into Discord for the Holy Grail and the Dean and the Crown Jewels, all via webhooks, get put in there.
They do. And it's good fun setting them up, isn't it? Like 800.
Oh, do you imagine? Remember?
We had like 800 at one point, and I was like, this needs to stop.
We need to do all 27 major pairs across 3 different time frames, across 3 different indicators. Huh.
Come back to this at 3, but I just had an alert on gold, so I am interested in buys on silver if this 15 can close above.
Okay, so I was looking at NAS as well as you.
Yeah. Because we've got quite a bit of room on this. 5 minutes. Okay, so we've got this 5-minute candle to close, and then it's the next one that we want to get close above the blue box here on silver, and then I will be interested in taking that buys.
Don't trust a moving candle.
Exactly that. We're just looking for this to flip, basically.
Yeah.
Which is very possible. I think NAS was pulling back up, so we'll check NAS as well if this one doesn't close how we want it to. It will be a 1 hour as well, and a thingy. A 1 hour very bearish close. 2 hours bearish close. That'll be the only thing that'll make me a little bit hesitant. I think what I want to see is the 15 close above here. And then a pullback and another 15 to show that it's going to find support here. So we will see. You can see
gold, might be a 3:30ish.
Yeah, gold's trying to. Oh, you need to drop off, don't you? At 3.
I've got another meeting at 3, and then I'll, depending on how long that is, I'll jump back on. But if you've gone, you've gone, which is fine.
I'll wait for the.
We're back. We're back on tomorrow, aren't we?
We are. Yeah, same time, isn't it? All week.
I said nervously, not remember if I put it in my diary. Which I hadn't.
And I think we said we might try do a members live as well in Wednesday night for FOMC after that.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm about, that's fine.
I'll see if Sarah's around as well. I know she's busy with work this week. So doesn't look like we're going to get that close, I don't think. So maybe. Still 5 minutes to go.
We can always pop it in trade ideas if it comes.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking, rather than me sitting talking to myself for half an hour.
Yeah, I'm just going to watch this candle on silver and talk to myself for half an hour.
It's no fun, is it?
See if we break YouTube.
I don't know how Pete sits and talks to himself for so long. I can't do it. And I've not eaten yet. I need some lunch. I think that's what I'll probably do. I'll give it till 3. We'll see how this closes, and then I will tell you all the plan. And I will even, if we get a trade out of it, I'll post it in the public chat as well.
Oh, nice. A freebie for some people. Yeah. Sarah is free tomorrow night, so that's cool.
Oh, nice. So yeah, we don't normally do that, but for this one, we'll do it if we do get a trade on after it. Let's see what NAS looks like then. We were probably preferring sells on that. This will have filled on the close probably. Oh, where's my things gone? This is the only thing, is it's saved on my other layout. Can you open the other layout in another tab, or does it proper mess it up? Oh, look. She's gonna go fillet. Good little chicken fillet.
God damn it.
Looks nice. Does look nice. make this bigger. Let's see what we go.
Right, I'm going to be rude and jump off because I need to pop Toodaloo before there's 3.
Yeah, no worries.
I
Catch you
will.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow, same time, same place.
Yep.
And then tomorrow evening for members FOMC on a Zoom with Sarah.
How exciting. Oh,
Yeah, man.
why are we not loading here? Yeah, look, it sounds good.
Cool.
I will post the trades in the chat as well, so...
Lovely, lovely. All right, catch you later.
Catch you later, love. Bye.
Cheers, everyone. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, bye, bye. So, let's see what we get. Still got an hour on the 3 close as well, so, and the 4 hour, yeah, this has pulled back quite a lot, so I still prefer the silver sort of setup, so let's have a look at that one. It's trying. Let's see, it'll be an exciting 50 seconds. See if we can get above there on the close, and if we do, then we'll go to plan B. Go on, get up there, lads. Get up there. I can't see the chat actually. Let me just find the live chat. Naz. Sarah. Calm down. Calm down. This is what I have to put up with. Let's check it. So that's probably TP1 on this one, isn't it? Right, we've had a 3 o'clock close, and we're going to look for potentially, let's see how this closed. We closed below, so I do think this will probably continue down. Someone's just at the door, guys. 1 second, I'll be back in 1 sec. What are the chances of that? How inconvenient. I think silver's gonna go. I'm gonna keep an eye on silver, and I'll post it in the group for you guys. And I'm also going to probably place sell stop on NAS below. 15 minutes, 5 minutes. What is that? What risk to reward have we got on this? We take the 5 minute. 2.5. Have I been getting abuse from Sarah in the group? Check your phone. I knew it. Sorry, I'm just checking this one. See. 1 hours. I think this is going to come through, but I'm just not sure yet on the kind of want a 5 backing it up or a 15 backing that up. But also, for those that do Lady Wicks in the group, this should come through, I think. What's the daily like on these? Daily's already been down there. Weekly. It's good fun, isn't it? 4 hours. Yeah, okay. I will. No, I'm going to wait for the 5 minute on this, and then I'm going to put an update in the group if we take this. I will be looking at potential sells below here, but I just want to see what happens first, and then I will let you guys know. Silver, let's check that, because I think that's going to potentially try and go 15. We're just struggling to break through there, so it looks like it might continue on bearish, which if it does, then I will move to plan B on this for sells down tonight. So again, I'll update in trade ideas on this. So there's no other trades on today's stream. Sorry guys, we had the one win on AD CAD, if you did catch it, and like I said, sorry about the pip count on it. I didn't realise it was only like 5 pips by the time I put the box on. But yeah, that was an early exit for us on that, and it was a good exit as well. And I will keep an eye on these 2 trades. I do think we're more likely to get the trade on NAS than we are on silver today, the one that I was looking at anyway for the buys. So I will keep you posted in the trade ideas, and if I do see anything today, I will also post it in the public chat for you as well, so you can keep an eye in there. If you're not already in our Discord, make sure you get in. And what else is there? Make sure you've liked and subscribed for us today as well, and we'll that would just be very much appreciated. And I will see you all tomorrow, same time tomorrow, because we've got CPI, USD CPI at 1:30. So we'll get that out of the way, and then we'll be on stream from about 1:45. We'll have a look at the 2 o'clock closes, see if we can get anything off the back of that. And like we said, we'll do some live trading for members, probably around 7 p.m. We'll get on just a bit before it. We'll watch out how the FOMC opens and what movements we get, and we'll see if we can find some trades. We'll do that on private in Discord if you are a member, so keep an eye out on the announcements for that as well. But thanks for jumping on today, and I will see you all tomorrow.